I visited Slovakia. To give you guys some context, I'm on a huge tour with my family right now, which consists of traveling to numerous countries, and I have a mission to document my experience. And this is what happened. We started the day by traveling to this cruise ship. We quickly hopped on and waited to arrive at Slovakia. While waiting, I took this time to explore. I walked outside and looked at the amazing view. We were on the Danube River. The river was pretty cool and had some very clear water. After some time, we eventually arrived. We got off the ship and started walking around for a little bit. But there was not much going on, so we headed to the bus and traveled to Johnston. We walked up and looked around in the area. The castle was cool, but nothing I haven't seen already. The view, though, was amazing. We could see all the cities and where we would eventually go next. After looking around, we headed to the bus and traveled to our next destination. The next place we arrived at was Mishalakabrana, which is a 14th century city. The architecture was amazing and the area was very compact. We eventually met up with our tour guide and walked around. The buildings are pretty unique and they had some cool stuff around as well. Whoa guys, we're on a unicycle in Slovakia. Alright, I'm getting out. After that, we walked into an art museum. When walking up, I got this cool clip, but unfortunately, I was not able to film. So yeah, that sucks. Anyways, we walked around some more looking at the buildings around us and learning about the deep history of this place. I highly encourage you guys to check this place out. It's pretty interesting. After a while, it was time to depart from our tour guide and explore for ourselves. We got very hungry and decided to sit down at this restaurant. I ordered and got my food, which you already know I ate in like 1 second. The food was a 7 out of 10. Alright, just finished eating over there. It was pretty good. We're going exploring some shops and we're gonna leave, so yep. We walked into many stores which all sold very similar things. Every store had a variety of Slovakia's touristy items, but one store has honey flavored everything, which was pretty cool, but for the most part, touristy items. Anyways, I eventually got hungry again and started to hunt down for the nearest ice cream shop. After years of searching, we found one. I got a caramel something, which was pretty good. While eating it, we saw this guy playing the violin. He was pretty good at it as well. I got tired though and decided to sit down. Alright guys, we're leaving Slovakia. It's been really cool out here, but I'm leaving. Unfortunately, our trip to Slovakia was cut short, so we navigated through the city and headed to our bus. And that concludes my trip to Slovakia. The whole country was very neat and definitely the most vibrant I've seen the whole trip. I strongly suggest you guys check it out for yourself. It was quite a spectacle. If you're at all interested in my trips and my life in general, make sure to subscribe and follow my Instagram. I will be posting the rest of my trip very soon, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.